Hi, I'm Danny Clark with Collector's Firearms, and today we are going to be talking about an HK P30. So we have Nathan here, who is our in-house HK expert. Nathan, tell me about the P30.
Well, the P30 is HK's hammer-fired polymer frame pistol. It's got some really cool features too. They come in a whole bunch of trigger variations. This one is the decocker only, no safety, single action, double action trigger. Another really cool thing about these P30s is they have adjustable grips. This back piece here and the side panels here are interchangeable, and they come with 3 different sizes. You can make, I believe, 27 different combinations.
So you can basically have a custom fitted grip.
Absolutely.
So let's go back to the triggers. I know you said there's multiple trigger variations to this, or do you mean like double action only, single action only?
So there are double action only variations. They don't have a single action only variation, but there are combinations of the double action, single action that have a safety, no safety version, and the double action only version is a very unique pistol. It's got an LEM trigger, law enforcement model. Super light trigger pull. I think the double action pull weight on that is like 5 pounds.
Wow. So you really have to know what you're doing if you're carrying that one.
Well, fortunately, it still has the long trigger pull.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
So it's probably a pretty smooth trigger pull.
Absolutely.
Okay. And the decocker back here, I remember on like the USP models that you had the safety decocker all in one motion. When did this come through? Is it unique to the P30s?
I don't believe it's unique to the P30s. I believe HK also does it on their P2000 model.
Awesome. And when did the P30 come out?
The P30 came out in the mid 2000s, probably like 2008, 2009.
Okay. And what calibers is this in?
They come in 9mm and 40 caliber.
Awesome. Well, awesome. So this is our featured gun today. Great. Well, thanks for showing it to me.
Yes, sir.